Nano Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Welcome to another vlog where we promote businesses here in Pampanga. And right now we would like to thank Gohan, Takoyaki, and Sushi Bar for sending this amazing Japanese food. So let's start by introducing each dishes. So on my right, nakikita nyo guys, this is their baby octopus takoyaki. They claim to be the best and authentic baby octopus takoyaki here in Pampanga. I can actually still remember when nag-umpisa pa lang sila. We were also starting at that time and counting the years. So they have been in the industry like more or less 4 years if I'm not mistaken. So naging expert na din sila sa mga ganitong pagkain. And then on my right, meron tayong baked sushi which is really becoming popular especially this quarantine period. But guys, to give you an idea, hindi lang ito yung baked sushi na we normally get. So they have a process included in preparing this. It's called Aburi, wherein they flame torch the meat or the salmon meat. Yan. And in return, it makes it a little bit smoky and flavorful. So this is how they do it. So yeah, earlier before we shoot this video, actually I reheated them. For the instruction on how to reheat this prepared food, it is actually included in the label ng mga pagkain natin dito. Just to add guys, aside from this sushi pan, so they also sell mixed sushi platter which is available for order. So if you're interested to check them out, visit their fan page or call the numbers we are flashing on your screens right now. And if you notice guys, so I have prepared 2 small plates for me to try for this food tasting. So once again, I would like to thank Gohan, Takoyaki, and Sushi Bar for sending these Japanese goodies. Again guys, kapag ganito yung dumarating dito sa bahay, so colorful and so Japanese, it makes me really excited. So yeah, let's get into it. So start ko dito sa baby octopus takoyaki. Oh wow! Sobrang ma-enjoy mo talaga kapag mainit pa yung pagkain. As soon as it arrives to your home or to your meetup, guys, whenever possible, make sure to, eat them already. If not, you can check out the food label on how to reheat these dishes. Alright, so there you go. I have my second baby octopus. Oh wow. Alright, so the third one, let's taste it. So before I finish this, let's move on to the next dish, which is this baked sushi. This is my serving right here. There you go. It also comes with the nori wrapper here. And then let's put the sushi on top. Ooh. There you go. So let's taste it. So as I said guys, yung Aburi procedure na included dito sa preparing sa sushi pan natin adds more flavor, like smoky flavor sa salmon natin. And then additionally, what I like about this is It's actually spicy. Oh wow. Oh wow. The rice is so sticky. It's not dry. Yung mga black and white sesame seeds natin dyan. Again guys, it just amplifies the smoky taste, which I really like. Alright. Wow. As a final recommendation guys, I think these kinds of food, itong mga sushi pa natin, are becoming popular because meron siyang personal inclusion when you are eating it. What I'm trying to say is, on a regular sushi, naka-roll na yan, it already has the nori wrapper, dinidip mo na lang siya sa soy. But in this kind of setup, there's an additional personal preparation. That's the additional satisfaction when you eat these kinds of food, no? So if you want to experience this at your home or at your office or anywhere you want to do it, check out Gohan Takoyaki and Sushi Bar. Order from them this one. This is a must try and a 2 thumbs up. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm still gonna enjoy this with my family. I'm gonna share it with them. But if you like the food that you saw in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Visit Gohan's Facebook and give them a like as well. Most importantly guys, stay safe, stay at home, order this food and enjoy it at the comfort of your home. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video from home. Ingat po tayo. Bye-bye!